Ever thought about cutting your own bangs at home? Well, you're in the right place to learn how. A DIY bang trim is a fantastic way to freshen up your look without breaking the bank. To kick things off, gather the essentials: sharp hair cutting scissors, a fine-toothed comb, hair clips, and a mirror. Once you have everything in place, you're ready to dive in. Begin by prepping your hair. Wash and dry your hair as you normally would. It's important to make sure your bangs are completely dry before you start cutting to avoid any surprises with shrinkage. Next, it's time to section your bangs. Use your fine-toothed comb to part your bangs in the style you want, then separate them from the rest of your hair. To keep the rest of your hair out of the way, use your hair clips to secure it away from your face. Now comes the exciting part, determining the length of your bangs. Always start longer than you think you might want. Remember, you can always cut more, but you can't add length back once it's gone. Once you've decided on the length, hold your scissors vertically and start to trim. Making small slight cuts instead of a straight chop will give your bangs a softer, more natural look. After each cut, take a step back and check for symmetry. Are both sides even? If not, make tiny adjustments as needed. When you're satisfied with the length and symmetry of your bangs, go ahead and style them as you please. You might want to blow dry them for a sleek look, or let them air dry for a more casual vibe. Finally, give your newly trimmed bangs some character with a texturizing spray or styling cream. This will add texture and shape, giving your bangs that salon fresh look. Remember, practice makes perfect, and if it doesn't come out exactly as planned the first time, don't be discouraged. If you ever feel unsure or want a more significant change, it's always a good idea to consult a professional stylist. That's all for this DIY bang trim tutorial. Happy trimming!